So yeah, I help people on money management part. So there are two things related to money. One is earning money. Second is money management. Okay, what is more important as per you? Why? So without earning money, how you will manage the money? Okay, I'll tell you. See, when it comes to earning money, we will start at the age of 20, 22, something, right? And it will end at age 65, right? So, at what age money management will start? Before our birth. Our father has to manage money and admit mother in the hospital, right? From there, the expenses part will come. Since then, he has to manage the money, and at one point of time, we start taking the money management part. So, when can we end that money management? After 65? After 75? So, until when we have to manage? Okay, can we end it after our death? Even after that, there are expenses, right? After up to 1 year, we will have expenses. So, based on if we have money, that will be a grand sending, or else it is like a very low end. Okay, so if you don't have money, you have to struggle a lot. So on that part, we started teaching people on money management part, and yeah, I want to give some insights of this money management also. You know, the highest qualification for money management is a CFP, Certified Financial Planning. USA, do you guys know how much is the population of USA? 35 crore. How many number of certified financial planners available in USA? It's 1 lakh. 1 lakh members. So what is the population of India? 40. Correct, right? How many CFPs should be in India? You know how many are in India? You can Google it. The number of CFPs in India, if you Google it, you can find 3,000 members. And what country is more financially literate country? US or us? US, right? Compared to India. So you guys as a student, you should learn and fill that gap. Okay? Wish you all the best. Thank you.